In regards to 3D printing, we're using it to fabricate dentures. We're 3D printing temporary crowns. We are 3D printing appliances for TMJ. We're 3D printing appliances for sleep apnea. We're 3D printing computer-guided surgical guides for implants. We 3D print models. They could be models of the person's teeth in their current state, models of their teeth as far as a mock-up, how we digitally enhance their bite or their aesthetics. So 3D printing has become an everyday thing for us here at this office.